Introducing the new Keurig K-Iced Coffee Maker. Enjoy refreshingly delicious iced coffee and full-flavored hot coffee from one multi-talented coffee maker. Brew the perfect coffee for any craving, mood, or mouth-watering moment. Always easy, always right. It's all in the new blue Brew over Ice button. One push and the K-Iced Coffee Maker automatically adjusts the brew temperature, starting hotter to extract full flavor, then cooling down to minimize ice melt. All for a vibrant, balanced iced coffee that never tastes watered down. The K-Iced Coffee Maker also brews the same full-flavored hot coffee that you love. And if you want a stronger cup, the strong brew setting gives your hot coffee a bolder, more intense taste. Whether you're brewing iced or hot, choose from 3 cup sizes 8, 10, and 12 ounces. The 42 ounces removable reservoir lets you enjoy multiple deliciously refreshing cups between refills. Here are the key features of Keurig K-Iced single-serve coffee maker. Unleash flavor with the blue Brew over Ice button. Get ready to transform your coffee experience with the innovative blue Brew over Ice button. With just one push, the K-Iced Coffee Maker intelligently adjusts the brew temperature. It starts hotter to extract the full depth of flavor, then cools down to prevent ice melt. The result: a vibrant, balanced iced coffee that's bursting with flavor and never watered down. It's like a coffee symphony for your taste buds. Hot coffee with a bold twist, strong brew setting, craving a stronger cup of hot coffee. The K-Iced Coffee Maker has you covered with its strong brew setting. Unlock a bolder and more intense flavor profile in every sip. Say goodbye to compromising on taste, and hello to a coffee experience that matches your preferences. Choose your perfect cup size and brew at your pace. Whether you're a morning coffee enthusiast or an afternoon pick-me-up seeker, the K-Iced Coffee Maker offers flexibility in cup sizes. Choose from 8, 10, or 12 ounces for iced coffee. And don't worry about constant refills. The 42 ounces removable reservoir lets you enjoy multiple cups of delicious refreshment before needing a refill. Smart features for a seamless experience. The K-Iced Coffee Maker is designed with your convenience in mind. The removable drip tray accommodates tumblers and travel mugs up to 7 tall, and it even holds a full accidental brew for easy cleanup. The auto-off feature turns off the coffee maker 5 minutes after the last brew, helping you save energy without the fuss. Unleash your inner barista with my K-Cup compatibility. Do you have a favorite ground coffee that you can't get enough of? The K-Iced Coffee Maker is compatible with my K-Cup Universal Coffee Filter, allowing you to brew using your own ground coffee. Unleash your creativity and create personalized coffee concoctions that match your unique preferences. Elevate your coffee routine with the Keurig K-Iced Coffee Maker. Say goodbye to lackluster coffee and embrace a world of flavor-packed ice and hot coffee. The Brew over Ice button, strong brew setting, and customizable cup sizes ensure that every sip is a delightful journey into the realm of coffee perfection. The K-Iced Coffee Maker is here to redefine your coffee experience, one cup at a time. Transform your mornings, refresh your afternoons, and indulge in coffee that's always easy and always right. Get ready to elevate your coffee game with the Keurig K-Iced Coffee Maker. Your perfect cup is just a button away. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.